Hi all. Now we are going to see what is a wind turbine system and what are the main parts in it. Basically, in a wind turbine system, it has three main parts like turbine, nacelle, and a tower. You can see here. The blades are the main components that capture the kinetic energy of the wind, and this helps the turbine to rotate. The rotor is the part that couples the generator to the rotating part of the turbine directly or through the gearboxes. The pitch is the ability to change the wind facing angle of the blades in order to maintain a constant wind turbine speed if the wind speed changes. With different pitch angles, the effective blade surface facing the wind direction can be controlled. So for nominal speed, the pitch angle can be set to 0 so that the blades fully face the upcoming wind. Above the nominal speed, the pitch angle can be increased, thus the effective blade surface is decreased and eventually a constant speed can be maintained. The brake is the mechanical speed reducer or reduction that prevents the generator speed from increasing above the maximum value. Even though the pitch for the blades can be helpful for the speed reduction, the brakes have a faster response than that of the pitch control. The low speed shaft is connected to the gearbox with a high turn ratio, which in turn provides faster rotating speed to the generator during low wind speed conditions. So the gearbox is the component that allows the wind turbine shaft to be coupled to the generator shaft. The generator is the mechanical to electrical energy conversion unit of the system that is driven by the mechanical power of the turbine. So the electrical output of the generator is connected to the grid system or the load through the power electronic converters. Further, like rectifiers, inverters, choppers, all type of converters are required for the upliftment of connection of the current generated current to the grid system or to the local system, local power being used. Okay. The controller, which is actually the brain of the system, is responsible for the torque and the speed control of the generator. And this determines the pitch angle, controls the yaw motor to face the wind direction, and controls the power electronic interfaces also. The anemometer is a measurement device which is used to assess the wind speed. Obviously, we should know what is the speed of the wind, and which in turn will be checking the speed of the turbine also, like movement. The wind vane is an elevated device that shows the direction of the wind, either see based on this way or this way, what is the direction of the wind. The instrument may also be operated together with the yaw mechanism to measure the wind direction. So the nacelle is the enclosure of the system, and all of the generating components such as the generator, drivetrain, and all the like are placed inside the nacelle. The high-speed shaft drives the generator without a gearbox and is essentially a gearbox with a turn ratio that is smaller than that of the low-speed shaft. It is effective during high wind speed conditions. So the yaw drive ensures that the rotor is aligned with the wind direction. It helps to produce the maximum amount of energy at all times by keeping the turbine facing the wind as its direction changes. So the yaw motor is the device that provides mechanical rotation to the yaw drive for the yaw mechanism's operation. The tower supports the body of the turbine and the other components. Thank you.